Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we're looking into more information. And what do we have here? We are going to discuss lots of stuff, as well as one of the big analysts predict that Bitcoin is reaching $11.5 million of price in 2024. Let's discuss this information and let's go through all the news. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's go. First of all, we go on. I'm of the probably wrong opinion and that both Bitcoin miners and MicroStrategy will find a local peak on or around the days that spot Bitcoin ETF is formally approved by the SEC. Both may then take a much needed breather or from overbought levels while the spot Bitcoin ETF hype builds. Following this, I think that both Bitcoin miners and MicroStrategy will outperform Bitcoin ETFs for the remainder of the coming bull market. Not individual investment advice, do your own research. Just in, bankers protest in Argentina against the Javier Milei's deregulatory reforms. Wait until Bitcoin adoption takes off. Banks will be redundant. As well as the next, we are entering the hope, finally the position where we are in a hope and we're going for optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria when everybody is going to sell on the euphoria, and while most of the people will start buying because they will believe that it's going to go up, and then we will confirm it once again and go down to a position where everybody is going to sell. Right now, everybody is buying because they believe it's going to go up. We're going to drop a little bit before that. Most of people will sell at the lower price, while most smart people will buy. So dumb money will make more smart money on the short term when it's going to happen, and it's going to happen pretty much soon. A spot Bitcoin ETF will confirm crypto is here to stay in the eyes of the normies and mainstream media. Don't you think smart money will feed off that narrative and flow into the more speculative assets such as alts to yield greater returns? This is how markets have always been and how they will always be. Next we go. Cryptocurrency analyst Willy Woo shared 3 Bitcoin price scenarios to reach $11.5 million price. Willy Woo, a famous cryptocurrency analyst, recently shared his prediction for Bitcoin's potential price levels in the various scenarios. According to an analyst, these predictions were made in response to a question from the private banker looking for a potential Bitcoin price scenarios, who reveals the following possible outcomes with the calculations based on 2023 figures. If Bitcoin reaches the market value of gold, its price could reach $710,000 per coin. If 5% of all the assets are invested in Bitcoin, the price can rise to $1.5 million. $1.1 million. And if half of all the wealth in Bitcoin scenario, the cap price could be a staggering $11.5 million per coin. Wu believes that the scenario 5% of all the wealth being transferred to Bitcoin is not a far-fetched possibility. He points out that there are only 600 million adults worldwide with a net worth over $100,000. And these individuals own 85% of all the wealth. And according to an analyst, Bitcoin currently has more than 300 million investors and is growing exponentially, indicating a shift towards digital assets. And in an earlier analysis, Wu said Bitcoin investors are currently expecting higher prices and are reluctant to sell. Wu referenced the spend output profit ratio, which tracks the profit coins make when sold to new investors. Interestingly, the SOPR rose as the price fell, indicating that only investors who had made significant profits were selling, while newer investors were waiting and slowly buying the coin. That's all the information we got on the Bitcoin today, and there's one more video will be out today, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to not miss it out. See you in the next one, and peace.